Hey everyone, it's Scott at Scott Trades on Twitter with StockMarketMentor.com and your chart of the day. Want to take a quick look here at Bank of America. This is ticker BAC. A little while ago, I mentioned that I saw some relative strength in software, IGV. Software is still looking great here, above all the key moving averages, but I'm also noting some relative strength in some of the financial stocks, XLF. We see XLF above all the key moving averages and just off of the highs. And so that brings my eyes to some bank stocks. If we look at Goldman Sachs, it's looking great near the highs. Morgan Stanley just off the highs. JPM probably just about to make a new high. And Bank of America is also holding up really well here. So I would definitely keep some eyes on the financials. And if I look at this setup here, I see a pretty clear downward sloping trend line of resistance. And so what I would want to happen to buy this stock is to see a move above that clear downward sloping trend line on volume. I'd consider setting an alert in and around 47.50. Look for a move and a close above 47.50, and then I think this stock has a potential to continue to trend higher. So that's just one of many setups we're looking at tonight over at StockMarketMentor.com. If you're tired of trading alone, come join a great community of traders from all over the world. StockMarketMentor.com. I hope to see you there.